Nurses, sometimes, they have some of the toughest jobs, but we got into this field because we love it and we wanted to take care of our loved ones. There is a lot of demand for medical personnel. Everyone here is an essential worker. We are required to come to work. My name is Diane White. I work at CSL Lee Hall. I'm the resident care director, and I oversee the residents and also the staff. I always wanted to be a nurse because I love to take care of people. I went to school called Centura College. I wanted to further my education and I wanted to do more hands-on. It really was the starting ground, my foundation. The teachers took their time to help us go over any of the subjects that we had. They were very understanding with all of the curriculums that we had. They were there to answer anything that we needed. We did a lot of hands-on there. So we would go out to the different nursing homes. That's where I actually learned how to work a blood pressure machine. They got in contact with me and wanted to know if they could donate some presents for Christmas for the residents. And just knowing that a school that I went to took so much care and love to reach out to the residents, and that made it all the worthwhile of me going to that school. Set your goals high. Set your goals high and you can do anything if you put your mind to it. That trade in nursing, it never stops. It's a circle, it goes round and round. It means a lot to me because I'm a caring person and I feel that you treat them like you want somebody to treat you. Everyone wants to be treated with love, dignity, and respect, and that's what we do at Lee Hall.